Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that make me. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex.
Come here, son. I'm going to teach you about the birds and the bees.
But I don't want to learn about the birds and the bees.
Shut up, you brat. You're going to learn what I tell you to learn. Now, sex could come at a very young age. Why, I started when I was 12. First, I was playing Pokemon cards. Next thing I knew, I was in some girl.
Oval atmosphere.
Now, see, when two people are in love, well, actually, technically, you don't really need to be in love. You're going to want to open the condom wrapper from its ridges, therefore not to rip the actual condom. Okay, so when two people have mutual feelings, I guess. Is that the right word? Check to see which way is right side up, thus not to get confused. Okay, take me and your mother, for example. I mean, you were a complete mistake. Add the condom to the erect penis and roll down. Congratulations, you are now having safe sex. Yeah, you fucking like that? Huh? Tell me you fucking like that.
Better dip the cranny axe in the gut locker. Retrofit the pudding.
And there was just cum everywhere. I mean, talk about a baby shower, eh? The birds and the bees.
Mommy, what's an orgasm?
I don't know, sweetie. Your father is yet to give me one.